Hi everyone. Now we are going to see about motivation and work behavior in industrial psychology. Motivation in an organization, which refers to the positive state of mind that drives you to achieve your objective, which is needed for an organization or industry. So, motivation is a huge field of study, and various psychologists have studied human behavior to propose different motivation theories in organizational behavior. So, motivation plays in a major role in the development of organization or an industry. So, because of motivation, the employee can reach all their goals. Through that, the productivity will be increased in the organization. These theory provide a deeper understanding of how people behave and how to incentives them to do better. Motivation in organizational behavior has a huge role to play in business success. The role of motivation in organization. The role of manager or a team leader is not easy. Not only do they shoulder the responsibility of the entire team, but are also required to give them direction. Motivation is the most effective way to influence job satisfaction at workplace. Here are some instances highlighting the importance of motivation in organization behavior. So, increase productivity. The role of motivation is to understand someone's needs and help them to find the best way to utilize their true potential. A motivated employee will be willing to put more effort into their work. So, next is ensure loyal workforce. That is, motivation ensures that employee are loyal to their organization. This in turn reduce turnover rates of the employee and helps to retain the best workforce in the workplace. Improves organization efficacy. That is, when people remain engaged in their professional roles and are happy about the outcomes, they are more likely to fulfill the target with greater enthusiasm. Next, we are going to see about XY theory. So, the theory X and Y are management theories developed by McJonan. The theory X is based on the assumption that employees do not really want to work. They have lack of ambition, only work to collect a paycheck, and need constant supervision. Whereas theory Y is based on the assumption that employee want to work, want to take responsibility and do not need more supervision. So, theory X management is based on belief that workers lack ambition. The theory X workers will lack ambition and they don't have internal motivation. They don't have any sort of motivation. So motivations come from manager who continuously supervise employees performance and work to make sure it was done correctly. So the difference between X and theory Y are the assumption made about workers' supervisors, and employee involvement and organizational structure. Theory X required more supervision, whereas theory Y's management involves is more lack. So the author proposed that there were two types of manager. one who assumed a negative view of their employees, also known as theory X manager, and the other who assumed a positive view of workers, or theory Y managers. So, in this, theory suggests that the theory X person will have no motivation, no ambition, and they need one of the supervision. They will be under control of the supervision, whereas a theory X theory why employee will work with enthusiasm, and they enjoy their job, and they almost always attend their commitments, and they are the person to take responsibility. So these are the difference between theory X and Y. Thank you.